Where am I? I should find a place out. One feel like this place has been banned for thousands of years ago. A big door, I wonder what that door does to and leads to. A code, I wondered what the code does. I am going. Green, pink, yellow, red. That's the code, I think.
Seconds later.
I got a grab pack, but I need another hand. I should get another one. I think this hand is for the big door. Okay, I'm good to go. Huggy WGGY is gone. AHHH, that's Huggy Wuggy. Calm down, it's just a dream. That scared of jeepers out of me.
3 minutes later.
I think that's my other hand I should put on my graphic. I'm going to put it on right now. I should level up my grab pack because this one's too heavy. Yay, finally I got a new grad pack. All things glitching a little bit.
1 second later.
Huggy Wuggy. Everyone watching this video, look at Huggy Buggy, he looks bloody.
You opened my case.